Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to see simplification sum. So these kind of sum is very helpful for competitive exam. So in this video we're going to see the three models of sum. So now let's see the first model. So here the first sum is 92 divided by 99 into 99. So this kind of sum we can able to solve within 3 seconds. So how means first we have to check these numbers are in the same conditions. And here there are 2 digits, here also 2-digit number. So these 3 numbers are same means, and having the 2-digit means what we have to do means we have to follow some trick. What is means here we have to put -1. So here we have to put +1. So this is the answer. That means 99 minus 1. We have to write 99 minus 1 is 98. So the next step is we have to add +1 in 92. So 92 plus 1 is 93. So 98, 93 is a perfect answer. Listen carefully. If we having these numbers in the 2-digit and same number means we have to follow. We have to do -1 here and we have to put +1 here. So 99 minus 1 is 98. 92 plus 1 is 93. This is the perfect answer for this sum. Now let's follow the same by using the second sum. So here the second sum is we have to follow the as usual method in the model 1. So here we having 999 125 divided by 999 into 999. What is the answer? We can able to solve within seconds by using the following trick. So here we having 3 digits, here also we having 3 digit. So here also the same number, here also same number. In these 3 numbers are the same. If they all are in the same condition means what we have to do? We have to put -1 here, we have to put +1 here. This is the concept. So what is the final answer here? We have to write 999 minus 1, that is 998. And next step is 125 plus 1 is 126. Finally 998 126 is a perfect answer for the second sum. This is the model 1. Now let's see model 2, and this sum is somewhat different from the model 1, that is 9999 425 divided by 4-digit 9s are in the same condition. So here all the numbers are in the same conditions. So all are in the same digits. So here we having 4 digits here, but in the upper side we having only 3 digits. So what we have to do? We have to change this upper 3 digits as 4 digit. So here we having 4 digit, here only 3 digits. So we have to put 0 here. This is the trick for the second model. So the next what we have to do, as usual the same method. Here we have to do -1. So here we have to do +1. So finally we can able to write the answer, that is 9999 minus 1 9998. So here 0425 plus 1, the answer is 0426. Finally 9998 0426 is the perfect answer. Now let's see second sum. So here also the same concept. Here we having 5-digit 9. So 1 divided by 5-digit 9 into 5-digit 9. So as usual the same process. Here all the denominators are in the same condition, but upper we having single 1. So we have to put 4 zeros for changing as a 5-digit number. The next step is as usual the same subtraction -1 and +1. So finally we have to calculate this subtraction. So 99999 minus 1 is 99998. The next step is we have to add +1. So 00002. So this is the perfect answer for this model 2 second sum. So now let's enter into the third model, and third model is somewhat different from model 2 and model 1. So these kind of sum is very important. We can able to solve within seconds by using the somewhat trick. So third model first sum is here 99 in upper side 992 divided by 999 into 999. This is somewhat the different sum. We can able to solve by easily. So here what trick we going to use means we have to see here 2 digit, here 3 digits. So here 3 digits are in the same condition. So these 3 conditions are same. So what we have to do means we have to write these 3 digits in the same condition 999 here. So we have to check here. Here we having 2 9 digits. So we have to put 2 digit as 0 because we having 2 9 here. So we have to put 2 0. The next step is we have to see the difference here. So 992 minus 999 is 7. So we have to write 7 as a difference. Now the final answer is we have to do the subtraction here. So finally we got the answer as 99893. This is the perfect answer. Now let's enter into the final sum. So this sum also we having the same concept. So here 9999 in upper side 95 divided by 99 into 99. So let's see, here we having 4 digits. So here we having 2 digit and 2 digit. So 2 digits are in the same condition. So what we have to do means we have to write this 2 digit as same condition here. So we have to write like 9 9. Next we have to check, this is 4 nines. So we have to put 40 here. So next condition is 95 minus 99. We have to see the difference here. So first we have to put 4 zeros apart from this minus, as usual the difference we all well know that it is 4. Finally after doing the subtraction for these numbers we got the answer as this one, that is 989996. This is the perfect answer for this simplification sum. So other simplification video links are given in the description box. If you like my video, please make a comment in the comment section and like, share and subscribe my channel, and for other notification click a bell icon. Thank you for watching.